So they're fertilizing the bogs next door. Watch how low this guy comes with a helicopter. He's like right over the trees. Here he comes. Holy shit. They do that twice a year, once in the summer, and they'll do it again before the weather gets cold. But it's cool as hell. These guys are pretty good with these helicopters. And some of these bogs around here will actually use the helicopters to pick stuff. Pretty cool. We're almost done because they're heading over to this part of the bog. Heading over to this part of the bog, and that's the end of the bog over here. It's a lot closer than it looks. He might be done. Oh, maybe not. I know they have big bags of fertilizer that have like a whole pallet of like these 50-pound bags, and they dump them in the bins that are all hanging on the side of the skids. You'll see. You see the white skid that's on the side there? That's all filled with fertilizer. But that's a lot closer than it looks on the video, let me tell you. That particular guy that has that copter, he does pretty much all the bogs around here because I see him in a whole bunch of different bogs. When you see him start taking off that way, he'll be heading back to the airport because the airport's maybe 4 or 5 miles down the road that way. Yeah, probably won't be over this way anymore, so... Yeah, I think he's taking off. All right, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.